Okay, I think you're really going to enjoy working on this website. It's called Tagxedo, but what you want to make sure you are running it on Internet Explorer. This browser works better with this particular website. So if you're in Chrome right now, go on out, or no, you could stay in it, but open up Internet Explorer once you're done listening to my video, or have them both open at the same time. That would be fine too. If you get a warning or a message that asks you to let Silverlight run, click yes to let it run so that the program will work, because it takes that to make it run. So let's go ahead and click Start Now. And here we're going to explain. I will be teaching you all the different tools here. We're going to load it, and we're not going to load a web page, but we're just going to load text. And you can really just think about anything, but for your assignment, you're going to type your name, your first name and your last name. Now notice that I did not put any space between the two, but I made sure I used uppercase letters to make each of the names stand out. So first and last name, no space, proper capitalization. Now you're going to use a space bar to separate words and just list things about yourself. Not complete sentences, but things that you like. Give you a moment to think and do that. Okay, so now that we have several words in our describing what we like, all about us, you're going to work on making it really neat. So add a few more here. Now I'm going to submit it. Press the submit in order to change Mother Earth to your own words. Did you see it load there? Once it's all loaded, I'm going to close it out. And there I am, Kathy Zamborski, and all the things that I love to do. All right, but I might not want this shape. So I'm going to first go to my shapes here. I would like you to choose the shape that you would like. Notice you could add an image, like a picture of yourself from the MS Share folder if you want. You could explore that, but I think this is kind of fun to pick pictures here, something that describes you, and it's kind of easy to use. So I think I'm going to use, let's see. I think I'll use a piece of fruit. I think that's an apple. There we go. Apple for the teacher, right? Okay, now you could, if you wanted to, click this invert button and it'll flip everything. So let's see what this does. Invert. And change that. Oh, it didn't change it. Well, we could play around with that. All right, I'm going to close that out like my apple, but it's kind of hard to see my words. I mean, it's kind of cool and stuff, but let's go and change the orientation. So I think this is just one of the funnest things. I like changing the orientation right here. And let's see what it looks like horizontally. Give it a minute. There it is. I think that looks really cool. Here it is vertically. It's kind of neat too. And this is a combination of horizontal and vertical. Pardon me. I kind of like that as well. I think I'm going to stick with the horizontal though. Next, we can change the colors. So we're going to do that by going to the theme. Now notice that the outline of this is white. I want you to choose a white background. We're not going to use all that ink on just a background. So white background, but you can change your colors. I'm pretty fond of pinks. Pink and orange, let's see what that one looks like. I like that one. We can also change the font type. And this is fun. The only thing I ask is that you would choose a font that does show upper and lowercase letters, unlike this one that doesn't. It's kind of fun looking, I think. And then your name stands out better. So I'll choose that. All right, so I changed my theme, I changed my font and my orientation. Layout, That's fine. I don't know where my name is. It went down there though. I think I'm gonna, we'll respin them all and see what it does. No, I don't want to change that. So I'm going to go back and choose what I liked. But this is what you do when you are exploring. So it's fun. Don't be satisfied with the first thing you pick. Try different things. Check them all out. And let me go back. I do like my orientation though that I had before. That was there. So when you are all happy with what you see, and that was not it, because I can't see anything. So I'm going to choose my horizontal. I like that one, but I also wanted to change my font. I had some fun font. It's either designer. Let's try the designers this time. I'm not sure what I chose before, but it did show upper and lowercase letters, which is very important. I think that was it. And I think that looks fun. So if I'm happy with that, I'm going to go to Save and Share. Save and Share. The only way we're going to do that is we're going to print it. We're going to print it, and we have to find the color printer. And this gets students all the time. They don't notice the scroll bar there. So look for the only one that says Color Laser. We are Lab 1003. Click Color Laser and press Print. And you're going to leave it in the printer. And I will get it out, and we're going to pass them back in class next time I see you. Enjoy, have fun, and good luck.